Dear Diary, today is February 24th, 2025. I'm struggling. I am still struggling. Last year, I documented what my hair goals were. Have I even accomplished those goals? When I look at myself in the mirror, I have to say absolutely not. The health of my hair is still not where it should be. The length of my hair is still not where it should be. I just feel so unpretty. The only thing I managed to accomplish was not be as stressed as I was when I first started this diary. Dear Diary, I just feel so unpretty. I feel so ugly. I'm wearing this hat or this hoodie because I'm struggling to face the world without my safety net. My long braids, my mid-long braids, my short braids, my bob braids, my spring twists, they were my blanket. They were my shield against the world. They made me feel pretty. They were my safety net. And when I don't have them, I don't recognize the girl in the mirror. I don't feel pretty. I feel like the world sees me differently. I feel like when the world look at me, they see an ugly girl. I'm struggling. Dear Diary, my heart cries out. I don't even know how I got to this place. I've been wearing braids non-stop for the last 4 years. How did I get here? How did I get here? That's all I have to say today, Diary. Until next time.